90 days from now, your life could be completely different, more disciplined, more successful, more fulfilled. But if you don't take control, 90 days will pass, and you'll be in the exact same spot. Today, I'll give you a step-by-step blueprint to upgrade your life in the next 90 days. No excuses, just results. Stay till the end, because I'll also give you a powerful 90-day challenge that will accelerate your growth. 90 days is the perfect time frame for change. Science says it takes around 66 days to form a habit, but the extra 24 days ensure it sticks for life. Most people fail because they chase short-term motivation. But success isn't about motivation, it's about systems. Good habits form good systems, and good systems rarely fail. And in 90 days, you can rewire your brain to operate at a higher level. The 90-day blueprint. 3 phases to transform your life. Phase 1, foundation. Days 1 through 30. Destroy old patterns. Okay, foundation, I can do this. Detox your mind and environment. Eliminate one toxic habit. Declutter your workspace and home.
So non-negotiables, I'm thinking workout, coding, and meditation.
I like it. Mine are yoga, reading, and finally starting that business plan.
5 minutes to start? Seriously?
Hey, it's about building the habit, right? We can scale up later. Create your non-negotiables. Pick 3 daily habits. Start small. Track progress. Okay, so I unfollowed like half my Instagram feed. It was brutal.
Tell me about it. All those cat videos, gone. But I'm already feeling more focused.
Accountability partners, right? Keeping each other on track. Upgrade your circle. Reduce time with energy-draining people. Follow high-performance people online. Find an accountability partner. Phase 2. Execution. Days 31 through 60. Build powerful routines.
5-hour rule, huh? An hour of learning every day.
Yep. Books, courses, whatever. But no zoning out. Active learning only.
So no more binging Netflix documentaries?
Only if you're taking notes and implementing what you learn immediately. No snooze. Not today.
Morning routine's a game changer. Movement, mindset, learning. I'm actually getting stuff done before noon.
Right? And planning the day the night before. Total time saver.
Okay, deep work. This is the one I'm dreading. 2 to 3 hours of pure, focused concentration.
Pomodoro technique. Remember? 50 minutes on, 10 minutes off. No distractions.
Easier said than done. My phone is basically glued to my hand.
Then glue it to the desk drawer. Seriously. One thing at a time, Mark. We got this. Phase 3. Acceleration. Days 61 through 90. Objective. Push beyond limits and make habits permanent. Okay, growth sprints. Major goal. Launch the business plan. Weekly milestones. Let's do this.
Optimizing energy, I'm actually prioritizing sleep now. 7-8 hours a night. Crazy.
Hydration too. And ditching the processed snacks.
Recovery time's the key. I almost burned out last week.
Self-audit. Wins, losses, lessons.
Another 90 days, I'm in. It's working.
Me too. Leveling up, one day at a time. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to take this 90-day blueprint and start today.
Pick 3 habits, set your goal, and commit to daily execution.
Comment below with, I'm in, if you're ready to level up your life.
And if you found this valuable,
Hit like, so more people can see this.